Hello viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this beautiful RoshoMalai Sondesh. This is a unique dish to Bangladesh. It's very delicious and easy to make. You will need the following ingredients to make this Sondesh: 2.5 cups of Chanar, 1.5 cup of milk powder, and 1 cup of condensed milk. Start off by adding the condensed milk into the Chanar and mix with an electric blender or a hand whisk. Add the milk powder and continue to mix for another minute or two. Add 3 tablespoons of milk, just to make it a little bit more easy to mix. Once the mixture is nice and blended, line the dish with parchment paper or foil, and then add the mixture into the dish. Level it all nice and smooth as you can, and then cover it securely with a piece of foil. I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to cook this. The first option is, if you didn't have a steamer, head into something similar like this and cook it on the stove. I'm going to use my steam cooker though. Make sure not to use too much water in the steamer, otherwise it will boil and overflow. Pop the dish in carefully and cover and steam for about 40 minutes. I'm going to check this in about 40 minutes to see if it's ready. If it's not ready, then I'm going to steam for another 5 to 10 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'm going to prepare the milky Malai sauce. Pour about 2 litres of milk into a saucepan. Then add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can also use sugar or honey if you like. I think the condensed milk gives it another extra richness. Add a cup of milk powder, and then bring this all to a boil. Keep stirring and make sure it doesn't curdle up. You're going to want this to evaporate by half. Let's check on the steamer now. It's been about 45 minutes. Remove the foil covering gently and prick it with a sharp object. Let's see if it's ready. If it's not, I'm going to steam it for a further 10 minutes. Nope, it's not ready yet. I steamed it for another 10 minutes and then, ta-da, it's perfect. It's all nice and dry and cooked right the way through to the middle. I kept this in the fridge for about an hour or 2 before I turned it inside out. Remove the foil carefully. Turn it over and cut it into squares or any kind of shapes you prefer. The consistency of this dessert is very similar to a New York baked cheesecake, but tastes exceptionally different. And I prefer it more actually, it tastes delicious. Right then, these creamy little beauties are ready to eat now and serve. You can have it as it is, or you can add it with a Malay sauce. I prefer it with the sauce. Finally, finish it off with some pistachios and some saffron and some almonds. Thanks for watching Marjana's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We can't wait to show you what's going on next on our recipe channel. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.